My dear brothers and sisters, our gospel from the Gospel of John comes from the 17th chapter, chapter 17. And this is known as the priestly prayer of Jesus. Jesus was shown as praying to the Father, praying as intercessor. Kaya nga po, priestly prayer, a prayer of someone who intercedes for somebody else. And in this gospel, which is part of the long priestly prayer, the Lord said something that should remind us. They do not belong to the world any more than I belong to the world. Hindi sila nabibilang sa mundong ito kung paanong ako'y hindi nabibilang sa mundong ito. Anong ibig sabihin ng Panginoon ng panalangin iyon? They do not belong to the world. My dear brothers and sisters, it reminds us, it reminds you and me that our real home is heaven. This is not our real home. Naglalakbay lamang po tayo sa mundong ito. Tayo ay mga NPA dito sa mundong ito. Hindi New People's Army, kundi no permanent address. Ang bahay natin ay hindi ang mundo. Hindi tayo dito nakalaan. Tayo ay naglalakbay lamang patungo sa tahanan ng Diyos, kung saan tayong lahat ay muling babalik o tutungo. Siguro po, magandang paalaala yan sa atin. Because sometimes we enjoy here. We enjoy our life here so much. We enjoy the food. We enjoy the friendship. We enjoy the family. We enjoy life. There is nothing wrong with that. Once I was invited to a hotel, with buffet. Siyempre naman, pag buffet, ang daming pagkain. And then, sa katabing table ko, merong isang pamilya na kasabay namin kumakain. At nung mabusog yung bata, sabi niya, "This is life." Tuwan-tuwa siya, "This is life." Much as we would like to enjoy food in this life, we are being reminded today that this is not our final home. Kapag ako po ay nagbabasbas ng sasakyan, ipinapaalala ko sa pamamagitan ng aking panalangin, sabi ko, nawa ang sasakyang ito ay maging tanda at paalaala sa amin ng aming buhay dito sa mundong ito ay isang paglalakbay lamang para sa tahanan naming, sa tunay naming tahanan sa kabila. And so, my dear brothers and sisters, let us be reminded, this is not our permanent home. But, on the other hand, the Lord, even if He is saying that this is not our permanent home, we should not withdraw from this world. We should not withdraw from others in this world. Huwag tayong tumulad sa ibang mga sekta, magtatayo ng isang pamayanan, magtatayo sa isang compound, doon sila, sama-sama sila doon. Wala silang pakialam sa mundo. Mali naman yon. Kasi ano sabi ni Jesus sa isang bahagi ng Ebanghelyo? You are the salt of the earth. So hindi sinasabi ng Panginoon na ihiwalay natin ang ating sarili sa iba. Yes, this is not our permanent home. But while we are here on earth, our presence must have a way of changing this world and make it a better place. Yun ang hamon sa atin. Oo, pansamantala lamang tayo dito sa mundong ito. Pero habang nandito tayo sa mundong ito, gawin naman natin itong isang mundo na kalugod-lugod sa Diyos. And that is the challenge to us. That wherever we are, in work, at school, at home, let our presence be a way of changing the place and make it a better one. Kaya habang nandito tayo sa mundo, bagamat pansamantala ang buhay natin dito, sana habang nandito tayo sa mundo, gawin natin ang mundong mas mainam kaysa dati. Amen.